In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on your Google Drive. So step one, all you have to do is to, of course, go to your Google Drive, or you just have to go to Google web browser. Okay, so here you just have to tap this icon, which I'm pointing now. Okay. Step two, you have to locate or find Google Drive. So when you tap this one, you can see here YouTube, Gmail, Google Meet, but you have to look for Google Drive. Tap this one. And then you can see here all the files that you have. So beside or on the left side, you can see here My Drive and other features and options here. So in order to open or in order to create a new folder on your Google Drive, you just have to right click and tap new folder. So once you tap this one, you can now create a title or name for your folder. And then once you decided a name or a title, then all you have to do is to simply tap create. Okay, so once you tap create and open your folder, you can see it here. Okay, to open, you just have to click or double click. And then you can simply add or upload files here. You can open Google Documents here, or you can open Google Presentations here. So this is the simplest way and easiest way to create a new folder. And then you can also open Google Sheet, Google Docs, and Slides and Forms, folder upload, file upload. And here you can create a new document and save it to a new folder on your Google Drive. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.